Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing great. So we are back again with yet another review video on this channel for you, and we will also be unboxing the product as well. So today we have with us the Hero GoPro Black 11. So this product was launched a year ago. So this is the first part of a three-part video in which we are going to review and unbox the Hero GoPro 11, the Hero GoPro 12, and then only on our Facebook channel you will be able to see a comparative difference on the camera performance and specifications. So on our Facebook channel, let's review with Chris. Here is the link somewhere you will be able to see, guys. Go and follow our page and also hit the thumbs up button, guys. So in this video, guys, we will be unboxing the Hero GoPro 11. We will be looking into the specifications. We will be looking into Hero GoPro 11 some accessories, and also, guys, I am going to go ahead and let you know whether this is a value for money product or not. In after a year, whether you should go for Hero GoPro 11 or you should consider upgrading to the Hero GoPro 12. Yes, there is a good amount of difference in terms of the price. So for that significance, this video is been made. So do subscribe to our channel. Let's review with Krish. Hit the bell icon so that whenever a video is uploaded, you get notified. And here is the full video, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have with us the Hero Black GoPro 11, the latest GoPro which is available in the market. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this product. We are going to look into the new features that is there. So I've ordered this product from Amazon. I've ordered the 24-month warranty, which is a 2-year warranty product. So here are some of the main features which they have mentioned over here. We will look into the details of the features. What is there, how is it different from the other variant. It comes with a new processor, it's more smoother. So we all know GoPros are action cameras. So this camera supports 5.3K recording. This is the best GoPro which is available in the market, guys. This is a full waterproof camera. You can go ahead and record videos underwater. You can just go ahead and take this camera. It has great stabilization. You can run, the stabilization is all best which is available in the market. So now quickly go ahead and let us go ahead and unbox the product. So let us go ahead and unbox the product now. This time they have given you a case in which you can go ahead and keep the GoPros and the accessories in it. There's a GoPro mentioned branding over here. Over here also I can see there is the GoPro logo given. The quality of the box is not that great, but yeah, better than the last GoPro variant or whatever they used to provide earlier. Now finally the moment has come. One of my dreams, I always wanted to go ahead and get a GoPro. So finally I've got it. Not because I've started this YouTube channel. So GoPro gives you a different opens up a different angle to go ahead and record videos, capture memories. So I'm very excited, and this is the GoPro 11 variant. I'm so excited. The latest model. Okay, so finally, guys, over here, this is it. This is, you can see, GoPro 11. So let us look into what have they given. Okay, they have mentioned subscribe to GoPro for the best experience. Subscribe to Let's Review with Krish for the best experiences. So they have given you some highlights of GoPro over here, some literature. So this is a user manual which they have given, how to install the GoPro, the app, how to download the applications. And this side you have some of the they have given you 3 stickers of GoPro. I'm going to use it, and how you can connect it on the helmet mount. They have also given the instruction over here. Now they have also given you some tips, pro tips for best cold weather performance. This is very important. Okay, let me tell you one thing. So this time the battery which they have given is far better than the battery which is there in Hero 9 or Hero 10 edition. This is all weather battery, so the battery will perform brilliantly in cold temperatures when you're using it. So it's a great thing. So it's a now you have the Q&A, or you can call it FAQs. So have product questions, if any questions that you have regarding the product, anything you need to know. So this is it. Or you can go to the website. I think this is more helpful than whatever is written on this, the literature. I couldn't find anything worthwhile written mentioned over here. If I could, I will put it in the description below. Having said this, let me just quickly remove these things right now. Okay, you have a USB to type C cable. There's a GoPro branding over here. I hope you can see it. And then there's a GoPro branding at this end as well. Let me keep this over here. So they have given you a helmet mount. Quality looks good. Now they have also given you the jack, the screw to tighten it. And this is the helmet mount. It has a GoPro branding over here as well. You can see there is a GoPro branding here as well. So this is the camera, guys, which I was talking about. So this is the new camera which they have come out with. It's a bit heavy, not that, but yeah, it has a weight in terms of other batteries which is there. It's all weather camera. It will perform brilliantly in cold weathers as well. Now finally, let us go ahead and take out the GoPro. So guys, finally here it is, GoPro 11 variant. This time it's coming with a dual screen, so you can record it. Here, there's a screen over here, there's a screen over here as well. On the first look, it feels good on the hand. So here is the option for the mount. It's quite sturdy. Quality wise, it's good. The power on button, there's a shutter button. So here's a LED indicator which you can see. Okay, so now let us go ahead and put in the battery and turn it on. So okay, let us put in the battery. So this is the thing with which you can pull. So this thing will be on the outside, and here goes the battery. Now let us quickly turn it on. Okay, you can see, guys, the GoPro has turned on. Hero black, it's reflecting over here. Now we will go for the manual normal setups that are there we need to go through. So we need to go ahead and install the application over here. So GoPro quick app. So let me quickly go ahead and install the application and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so now let me just talk about some of the main accessories that you need to have it with you while you're using the GoPro. First, when you're having a GoPro, you need to get in some screen protectors or some screen guards. because GoPro is going to be, you're going to use it on rough use, underwater, you're going to do motor blogging, normal blogging, travel blogs, so it's going to take a lot of heckle. So in that case, using a screen guard on the both the screens, it's very important. So I have this screen guard from this brand called Popia. I found this good, so I'm using it, not that I'm endorsing the brand. Next guys, after this, another important product that you need to have, without which the GoPro ultimately will not perform up to its potential, is a memory card, a good memory card. So I am using this SanDisk Extreme Pro memory card. This is a next gen memory card. You can use it on also on your drones, on other devices. The speed, read and write speed is also very well, so this will also perform in extreme conditions as weather conditions as well. So these two are very essential products that you need to use it. Now the next product guys is more about is how you're going to use the GoPro, whether you want to use it on a tripod, on a gimbal, or you want to use it on a lanyard, or how. So this is a cover plus a lanyard from official merchandise of GoPro. Here it is guys. Okay guys, so we have the next product over here, which is the sleeve lanyard, which is the GoPro 11 sleeve or lanyard. It's a case, silicone based case. You can just have it tied around the neck, you can have it on your wrist and your hand. It's very frizzy. So there are many local brands available in the market. You got it for 400, 500, but I wanted to go for the original product. So let us go ahead and unbox the product and see what are the things that we have got with the product and how is the product. There is the box. So this is the case, it seems. Yeah. Okay, it feels good quality, it feels premium. Do we have anything else? Nope, nothing. Okay, this is the case, the white silicone case. There are holes for the speakers, the indicators. You have cutouts for the speakers over here. This is the mode option. Okay, another speaker. Okay, it's quite big, you can wear it around the neck, and they have another one string to bring it closer and backward. This is nice. It's a nice product. I think it's good. Quality is really nice. I think it's a nice product. It's actually a very good product, not just a nice product. I think it's a very good product. Okay, now we have the GoPro in hand. We have already gone ahead and connected the tempered glasses in the GoPro. You can see all the tempered glasses are connected, which is a very important thing. Now let us go ahead and connect the silicone case and see how does it look. Okay, it's a good product. It's not a bad product. It fits well. It's taken up the places properly. You have the cutout to use the mount over here. Okay, so by now guys, I hope you have already got an idea about the GoPro 11 Hero Black. So you have looked into the product, you have looked into the specifications. Now coming into guys, whether this product is a value for money product or not. Looking into the build quality of the product, it's a waterproof product guys. The price at which this is coming, it's an action camera. So out of 5 guys, I will give it a 4. So currently guys, you will be getting this product available on Amazon, Flipkart as well. So I will attach the link in the description. Yes guys, so that's it from the first part of a 3-part series video. So do subscribe to our channel, Let's Review with Krish, and follow our Facebook page, Let's Review with Krish. You will find the details of the channel and the page somewhere over here in the screen. And stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be a full unboxing and review of the GoPro Hero 12 guys, coming in the next days. Thank you. Have a good day guys.